Hello students, welcome to our English class. Today I am going to explain about editing. What is editing, students? Editing is nothing but spotting an error in a given passage and we have to correct with that particular word. And so far we have learned so many grammar topics like tenses, prepositions, articles, and in the last video we have learned about if clauses also. So we are going to use that knowledge to correct the sentences. And just look at the exercise which was given in text. So read the following passage. Every numbered sentence has an error. Identify and edit it. And each and every sentence has number. So look at the first sentence. It was 11 o'clock on the night. The servants went to the bedroom and looking. Ramalinga's wife were not asleep. Ramalinga knew that the servants were near. He said loud to his wife, there are many thieves in the town. You have a lot of jewels. We must keep them safe. I have a plan. We shall put all the jewels in a box. Then we will drop the box in the well. Nobody will look there for jewels. This is the passage was given in the text. Now look at the first sentence. It was 11 o'clock on the night. Students, do you find any mistake in this? Yes, here. What is the mistake here? The night. So before telling the times like the morning, the evening, the night, we should use the preposition in, not and. So here the incorrect one is on and the correct one is in. Yes. Let's read the sentence once again. It was 11 o'clock in the night. So that is the correct one. And then look at the second one. The servants went to the bedroom and looking. Ramalinga and his wife were not asleep. Ramalinga knew that the servants were near. Students, do you find any mistake? Yes. Here. What is the mistake in this sentence here? Look. So here, each and every verb in this passage in the past tense. So definitely this verb is also a past tense. So what is the incorrect one here? Look. So what is the correct one here? Look. And then go to the third one. He said loud to his wife, there are many thieves in the town. You have a lot of jewels. So what is the mistake? Students, did you find? Yes. He said loud to his wife. So what is the mistake here? Loud. So how he said? We have to say loudly instead of saying loud. So here, what is the mistake here? Loud. So what is the correct one here? Loudly. So we have to say, he said loudly to his wife. Then go to the fourth one. We must keep them safe. I have a plan. So what is the mistake here? Yes, the mistake is kept. We must keep. Here is the mistake is kept. So what is the correct one here? Here, here it is a helping verb and it is a modal auxiliary. So after the modal auxiliary, there should be a V1 and we should write the verb that is in simple present form. So here we have to write the key. So what is the correct one? Key. So then we go to the fifth one. We shall put all the jewels in a box. Then we will drop the box in the well. Nobody will look there for jewels. So students, did you find any mistake? No? I will tell. So what is the mistake here? And. So an is a mistake here. What is the correct one? So here it is a box. It is a noun and it starts with a consonant sound. So here we have to use instead of an, what we have to use? A. So this is the article A we should use before this noun because it starts with a consonant sound. And this is about editing. Students, there is an exercise for you from the text. Read the following passage in the text and every numbered sentence has an error. Identify and edit it. Thank you.